Welcome to Slow English Listening. Hello, everyone. My name is Lucas. Today, we are going to a big shopping center with our friends, Lily and Jake. This video is for beginners, so the English is slow and clear. But wait! Today, we have a game. The Red Error Challenge. I made 3 mistakes in this video on purpose. When you see a word in red, it is a mistake. Pause the video and find the correct word. Write the correct word in the comments with the time code. Let's see who is the most attentive today. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Wow, Jake. Look at this building. It is amazing.
Yes, Lily. This shopping center is incredibly big. I think it is the biggest in the city.
I agree. Look at all the glass and the bright lights. It is very beautiful in the afternoon sun.
It is huge. I really need to find a new jacket today. My old one is too small now.
And I want to look for a special gift for my mother. Her birthday is next week, and I want something pretty.
That is a nice idea. But the mall is so large. I don't want to get lost in here.
Don't worry, Jake. We can find a map first. Usually, there is a big map near the entrance.
Oh, I see it. The map is over there near that big water fountain.
Perfect. It is not far from here. Let's go. By foot.
Good idea. Walking is better. We can see all the beautiful shop windows on our way there.
I am so excited. I love shopping with you, Jake. Let's go and have some fun.
Lily, look at this store. There are so many clothes here.
Yes, it is a very popular shop. Look at those colorful shirts over there.
They are nice, but I'm looking for a jacket. Oh, wait. Look at this blue one.
It is a great color, Jake. But I think it is too small for you. You need a large size.
You are right. This one is a small. Let me look for a bigger one.
Look behind the jeans, Jake. I think the winter jackets are in that section.
Oh, I see them now. This brown jacket looks perfect. What do you think?
I like it. The material is very soft and the style is modern.
Where can I find the fitting room to try it on?
The fitting rooms are at the back of the store near the mirrors.
Okay, I will go there now. Can you wait for me here, Lily?
Of course. I will look at these red dresses while you are busy.
Thanks. I hope this jacket fits me well. I really like it. Okay, Lily. I am going into the fitting room now.
Take your time, Jake. I will wait for you right here near the mirrors.
This room is very clean and bright. Let me put on this brown jacket.
Does it fit you well? Is the size correct?
One moment. I am looking in the mirror now.
Well, how do you feel? Do you like the sleeves?
Yes, the sleeves are fine. I think this jacket is very suitcase.
Wait, what did you say? Did you say suitcase?
Yes, it looks very good on me. Don't you agree?
Oh, Jake, I think you mean the jacket suits you perfectly.
You are right. That is what I wanted to say. My English is a bit funny today.
It is okay. You look very handsome in this color. It is definitely your style.
Thank you, Lily. I am very happy with it. I will take it.
Great. Let's go to the cash desk and pay. Then we can find a gift for my mother. Let's go. This gift shop is so beautiful, Jake. Look at all these shelves.
You are right. There are so many interesting things here. What does your mother like?
Well, she loves home decorations and nice smells. Look at these colorful candles.
This purple candle smells like lavender. It is very relaxing. Do you think she wants it?
Maybe, but she already has a lot of candles at home. I want something different.
What about these perfumes? This bottle is very elegant and the scent is sweet.
It is nice, but perfume is a difficult gift. Everyone has a different taste.
Look over here, Lily. I found some beautiful silk scarves on this wooden table.
Oh, wow. This scarf has amazing colors. It is blue, pink, and gold.
It is very soft. I think it matches her favorite spring coat perfectly.
You are a genius, Jake. My mother loves scarves. This is the perfect gift for her.
I am glad you like it. The price is also very good for such a high quality.
Let's take it. I will go to the cashier now. I am so happy we found it.
Great. One task is finished. Now I'm starting to feel a little bit hungry. We are moving up so fast on this escalator. Look at the view of the whole shopping center from here.
It is spectacular, Jake. You can see all the people and the beautiful decorations below.
I see a very large sports store on the third floor. Maybe I can find some new sneakers there later.
That is a good plan. Your current shoes look a bit old.
You are right. I wear them every day for work.
But first, we need to decide where to have our lunch. I can see the food court near the glass roof.
I am really dreaming about a big piece of pepperoni pizza.
Pizza sounds wonderful, but I also want a fresh salad.
Don't worry, the food court has many different restaurants. They have Italian food, burgers, and even healthy salads.
Perfect. Then everyone will be happy.
Let's go to the sports store quickly, and then we will eat.
I agree. I am getting very hungry now, too.
This sports store is huge. I see so many different types of shoes here.
Look at this wall of sneakers, Jake. There are white ones, black ones, and even bright red ones.
I think I want something classic. What do you think about these white sneakers?
They look very stylish. They are also on sale right now. Look, the red tag says 30% off.
That is a great deal. Let me hold them and check the weight. Wow, they are very light.
That is good for walking. You should try them on to check the size.
They feel very comfortable on my feet. I like how they look with my blue jeans.
I agree, they look perfect on you. The quality of the material is excellent.
I am definitely going to buy these. It was a very quick choice.
Great. Now we can finally go and find some food.
Wait, I also want to look at the new headphones in the next store. Look at this wall of electronics, Lily. These new headphones look incredible.
They are very modern. I like the dark black color and the soft cushions.
Let me try them on for a second. The sound is amazing and very clear.
That is great for listening to your music or podcasts. How much do they cost?
Let me check the digital price tag on the shelf. Oh, wow. They are $80.
$80? That is quite a lot of money for headphones.
You are right, Lily. I think $80 is very expanse.
Wait, Jake? Did you say expanse? I think you mean they are very expensive.
Oh, yes. Expensive is the correct word. My English is getting worse because I'm so hungry.
Don't worry, it happens to everyone. Maybe we should wait for a holiday sale to buy them.
That is a very smart idea. I don't need them right now.
Good. Now, no more shops. My stomach is making loud noises.
Me too. Let's run to the food court immediately. Finally, the food court is so busy and smells delicious.
Look at all the choices, Jake. There is pizza, burgers, sushi, and salads.
I am going to the pizza counter right now.
That looks good, but I prefer something lighter. I will go to the salad bar next door.
Okay, let's meet at that empty table near the big window.
Good idea. The view of the city from there is beautiful.
The service here is very fast. My pizza is already ready.
My salad is ready too. That was very quick.
I am so happy. Everything looks and smells wonderful.
Let's take our trays to the table. I am ready to eat.
Be careful with the hot pizza. It just came out of the oven. This pizza is absolutely delicious, Lily. The cheese is so warm and the crust is very crunchy.
My Greek salad is also very fresh and tasty. The olives and the feta cheese are perfect together.
I am so glad we decided to eat here. This table near the window is very comfortable.
Look at the city lights starting to shine outside. It is a very peaceful moment after a busy day of shopping.
We did a lot of things today. I bought a great new jacket and a pair of white sneakers.
And we found a beautiful silk scarf for my mother's birthday. She will be very surprised and happy with her gift.
Shopping is fun, but it is also very tiring. I feel much better now with some food in my stomach.
I agree with you, Jake. Good food always makes the day better.
What should we do next?
I think it is time to go home and relax.
You are right. It was a very successful and happy day. We are finally going down the escalator. My hands are full of shopping bags.
Yes, we bought many things today. My new scarf for my mother is in this small bag.
And I have my heavy jacket and those white sneakers. I am very tired, but I am very happy.
Me too, Jake. The evening air feels so fresh and cool now.
Look, the sun is going down behind the tall buildings.
It is a beautiful sunset to end our big shopping day. Thank you for the wonderful day. You're a very good friend and a great shopping partner.
Anytime, Lily. Next time, let's go to the cinema together.
That sounds like a fantastic idea.
Welcome back. Did you like our shopping story with Lily and Jake? Now, it is time for a small test to check your memory. I have 3 questions for you. The rules are simple. Answer yes or no. Question number 1. Does Jake find the blue jacket in a large size? The answer is no. The blue jacket was too small, so he bought a brown one. Question number 2. Does Lily buy a beautiful silk scarf for her sister? The answer is no. She buys the scarf for her mother's birthday. Question number 3. Does Jake buy the expensive headphones today? The answer is no. He decides to wait for a holiday sale to save money. How many correct answers do you have today? If you have 3, you are an English superstar. You did a great job today. Shopping with Lily and Jake was very interesting. We learned many new words about clothes, gifts, and even electronics. Now, let's talk about the red error challenge. Did you find all 3 mistakes? Remember, the mistakes were buy, suitcase, and expanse. Write the correct words in the comments. I will check every answer myself. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot to make more stories for you. Thank you for watching Slow English Listening. Have a wonderful day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.